Alright. I know, Sam. I'm sweating my balls off. Alright, you can go. I'll catch up to you. Alright, finally, bro. That quick shifter, baby. What's going on, YouTube? We're back with another vid. Oh, here we go. Yeah, so you see, I'm playing with the quick shifter still, baby. I'm hyped about it. Be a good guy. I want to try practicing, since I got the quick shifter now. When I'm wheeling, I don't have to clutch in, let off the gas, and shift up. All I have to do is let off the gas and shift up. So I feel like my wheelies are gonna get better, but we'll see. I can never find a quick shifter. I still have to adjust it, but woo! Let's go, baby.
Actually, don't rip it because it's going to be coming up after the slow.
Bro, I want to learn how to wheelie and shift. Bro, I can't. When I come down for my shift, I can't find my lever because it's so low. I need to bring it up. It's easy on this thing. Are we getting pictures?
Pictures, whatever.
I guess we're getting pictures of, I guess there's like cows or whatever. Oh, he was on this road. Oh my god, a cop lives there. There's no cows.
Not out today.
Never mind. Turn around. What? Turn around. Yeah. Alright. Moo! I'm like, what the fuck? What the fuck? Moo! Moo! Wait, I wonder if I can shift. Hang on, I'm gonna try shifting while wheeling, bro. I wanna shift, I wanna try. I need to practice this, bro. You know, want some, sir. Yes, sir. Shifting with no. Let's go, baby. Okay, that was a little shift though. Let's go. So I know you gotta find balance point with it and then shift, but I don't have to mess with the clutch now, so I'm hyped about that. I'll get it down. I'm coming for you, Killer Cam. You asked if I was recording. But yeah, I'm hyped. Let's go. I'm just gonna keep practicing that, and then, you know, we'll get it down. We'll get it down. Just gotta keep the foot on the rear brake. I just gotta get used to, you know, obviously shifting up with the clutch. Then when I find balance point, let off the gas and shift up on the clutch, or not clutch, the shift lever. Shit, my bad. Yeah, buddy. Look at all the people's faces, bro. Like, what in the fuck? It's actually comfortable up here, bro. This is... Let's go. I'm hyped, guys. I love riding so much. If you don't have a bike, get a bike, bro. Get a freaking bike, yo. He likes it. He likes it. Yes, sir. Full tuck, gang. Gang, gang. I just want to use the quick shifter for real. Come on, bruh. You're going like 40. Speed limit is 40. It means 45, 50. That was pretty dope, though. He got the maxer's pass, bruh. So pick up your base, yeah?